All right, guys, so I just want to talk a little bit about what we got going on today. As you guys can see, we are doing this vehicle. This is a nice BMW, and this is one of our maintenance clients. Sometimes we try to look for new leads, for new clients, when we have a good, record of many vehicles that we've done in the past when it comes to full details and sometimes ceramic coatings and stuff like that. In this scenario here, this is vehicles that we've been taking care for a long time. So once again, instead of looking for new leads, we can always focus on the existing clients and make sure that we provide the best service that we can, for them. As you guys can see right now, what we are doing, we are installing a product, which is a sealant. This one here is gonna be beneficial for us and also for our clients. Why? Because this product is gonna help to, protect the vehicle, but not just that, it's gonna help us as well to dry the vehicle. So it's gonna make our process a lot easier. And once again, we just enjoy using this product since they make our job way easier. But anyways, we're just gonna continue, and I'm gonna bring you guys with us along this journey and along this process. So stay tuned, let's continue. The other benefit about using these high quality products is that it's going to be super beneficial for the detailer. Since this is a acidic type of product, this is going to encapsulate any minerals in case you are not using DI water. Talking about quality products, we also want to talk about quality equipment in order to perform the best service for our clients. Here in the area of Richmond, Virginia, we have multiple units like this in order to do the best service for our clients. Also, we are always using spot-free water for you guys.
So what do we do for our maintenance clients? Well, most of their vehicles, since we see them so often, they get dusty, some normal residue when they're going out, receipts, but mostly dust and some stains, So a lot of compressed air and the right chemical is gonna be what you need for the vehicle. I use a lot of compressed air for the AC vents, all the crevices on the seats, under the seats, just blow everything out. Then afterwards, I chemically clean all the surfaces with my interior cleaner. And later on, at the very last, I do a very thorough vacuum on the entire vehicle. So you'll see me right now using the compressed air for a lot of the areas, seats, AC vents, some brush here and there. But mostly a chemical clean and compressed air is what you need for maintenance clients. Otherwise, those gotta be full interior details or full exterior details. Carpets, it's not too dirty, but there's obviously stuff under the seats. You're not removing seats. You're not going with brushes or anything, but compressed air, you wanna push everything to the back so later you can vacuum it out. That way, you're gonna be able to get rid of anything that's under the seat without having to remove the seats. And that's what we do at Relic Detail on a maintenance detail. Most of the time, especially on the front, where we have the cup holders or areas where people can put food, it's gonna be the most dirty areas. So for those areas, even though this is not too dirty, I do carry a brush with me and I thoroughly brush everything so I can make sure I clean every crevice and I get everything out, including any food spills or drink spills. But it's not too bad that we have to do an extraction or steam cleaning. So carry a brush, a compressed air, and a towel, and you'll be able to thoroughly clean a vehicle.
So the next vehicle we're going to be taking care of is this beautiful Corvette. This one here is a pretty much new vehicle. And once again, we are here for the maintenance service. Our clients, they like to keep their vehicles in the best shape as possible, and that's why we are here every single month.
And following what I said about inspecting the vehicle after you're done or completed it, for example, right here, only we got him touching up the entire of the paint. And I like to use the rinseless with towel to touch up all these areas, especially if it's Tony the one that washed it, because they always end up bad.
Alright guys, so we are wrapping up with these two beautiful vehicles, this BMW and this nice Corvette. So what we're gonna do next, we are going to the next location. Stay tuned for more content like this. Let's go.